This video is about finding slope from word problems. So sometimes we're given information about a situation and we can find the slope by creating ordered pairs. So in number 1, Sally ordered pizzas for the Sunday football games. At 0 minutes when the pizza arrived, there are 50 slices of pizza. After 15 minutes, there are 20 slices of pizza. So we have two sets of information. We have 0 minutes where there's 50 slices, and we have 15 minutes where there's 20 slices. So each sentence can create an ordered pair. So we're going to go in order of our sentence. So we have 0 minutes gives us 50 slices, and 15 minutes has 20 slices. So then we can use those points to determine the rate of change, which is another word for slope of the situation. Make sure once you find your slope, you also have your units. So in this case, when I'm doing my rate of change, I'm actually going to give it units instead of just x and y. So we know that x represents our minutes and y represents our slices of pizza. So at 0 minutes, we have 50, and at 15 minutes, we have 20. So I can look at how this is changing, because as the people are eating pizza, my amount of pizza is decreasing. So my change 20 minus 50 means my change in slices is negative 30. When I look at my minutes, 15 minus 0, my change in minutes is 15. So I'm going to use those changes to find my slope. So my slope is my change in slices, so negative 30 slices over 15 minutes. So I can reduce those slopes then. I can take each of those divisible by 15, so I get negative 2 slices per minute. This should make sense because people are eating the pizza after it was delivered. Number 2, Chris is saving money. At 2 weeks, he has $100, and at 18 weeks, he has $584 saved. So our two sets of information is 2 weeks, $100, and 18 weeks, $584. So I'm going to write my ordered pair. At 2 weeks, he has $100, and at 18 weeks, he has $584. So I can use that information then to find my slope. So when I create a table, I have weeks and dollars. So at 2 weeks, there's $100, and at 18 weeks, there's $584. So when I look at my change, my money is changing, 584 minus 100, by an increase of $484. My change in X, I've gone from 2 weeks to 18 weeks, so I've increased 16 weeks. So my slope then is my change in dollars, $484, divided by 16 weeks. So when I reduce that, I can put that in my calculator. 484 divided by 16, and we get $30.25 per week, because he's saving money then at a rate of $30.25 each week. Number 3, a town's population is increasing. In 1990, the town had 153 residents. In 2001, the town had 395 residents. So, based on our information, we have 1990 has 153 residents, and in 2001, there's 395. So I'm going to write my ordered pair, 1990, comma 153, and 2001, comma 395. So I can make my table again. So I have the year, and I have residents. So in 1990, there's 153 residents, and in 2001, There's 395. So 395 minus 153 is 242 for my change in residence. And my change in years, 2001 minus 1990 is 11. So my slope here is 242 residents divided by 11 years. So in my calculator, 242 divided by 11 means that we are changing, we're having an increase of 22 residents per year. Let's look at one more example. So at the movie theater, 2 tickets cost $22 and 6 tickets cost $66. So I'm going to rate my ordered pairs. I have 2 tickets costing $22, 6 tickets costing $66. So my ordered pairs would be $222 and $666. So again, I'm going to make my table. This time I have tickets and money. So 2 tickets is $22, 6 tickets is $66. So my change in money, I went from $22 to $66, which means I increased, when I subtract those numbers, $44. I went from 2 tickets to 6 tickets, so 6 minus 2 means I have a change of 4 tickets. So my slope in this case is $44 divided by 4 tickets, which means it costs $11 per ticket.